Guys, so we finally have the Xiaomi Pad 8 in the house, and it just got delivered, and is just a fine new addition to the rest of my electronics. Yeah. So coming into the features, first of all, it has a 3.2K 144 Hz display, very smooth. Major reason to skip the iPad 11 Gen, and a 9200 massive battery. It is Gen 4, where it's an 8 series processor, which is roughly as fast as 8 Gen 3 with an Antutu score of around, I think, 1.5 million or even 2 million, I think. So, and a quad speaker setup for Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, proudly made in India, but I think it's basically assembled in India. Not really sure about that. There is IP54, which is dust resistant certification, nothing waterproof. So, this is a Xiaomi Pad 8, and yeah, we'll be unboxing this right now. So finally, we have the tool, which was waiting in the cupboard for over a year or so. And finally, this is my first unboxing video that is ever gonna go out. So let's get started.
Yeah, this is not how you do it, I guess. But yeah.
So here we have a satisfying opening to the. Oh my goodness, it's so light. It's freaking light. It's very, very light. So I think it opens up. Uh,
Am I here? Android tablet.
and we'll be right back. So, moving on from the tablet now, let's go ahead and check what is left. So, here we have a box which says Xiaomi. So, let's just quickly open it. We have a 67 watt adapter, no cost cutting. Even though the tab itself charges at 45 watts, we have an adapter and even the cable for it. It's I believe it has to be a Type A to, yeah, USB 3.2, Type A to Type C. So that's that, and that's it for the box contents. And coming to talk about the tab itself, so the tab is a gorgeous 11.2 inch 3.2K 144 Hz display. It's smooth, and right side like a copy of the Apple ecosystem. You have the control center, and on the left you have the notification center. So you go to the settings, and you have a lot of tablet oriented features, and there is also a workspace mode wherein now this basically behaves like a laptop. So that will be going on ahead once we have the keyboard with us. So we'll have a dedicated review for that. Let's talk about the media consumption experience on the Xiaomi Pad 8. So let's play a 4K video, and this is the video and sound quality that you'll be getting. Also, there is Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and on YouTube you'll find 4K HDR support. So HDR content looks just amazing on this. Let's talk about performance. So for performance, we have the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, which in unboxing I just mentioned, it's as powerful as 8 Gen 3, which is like 2 generations older now. And also we have a lot of AI features. There is AI art, AI writing, AI creativity assistant, a lot of AI features packed in. I think this one is basically you can summarize text, and there is AI search. There is AI subtitles for a video, A lot of cool AI things. Also, not to mention, we also have really fast app opening speeds, and thanks to LPDDR5T RAM that is there in the 12 to 56 GB variant, which is what I'm holding right now. And also, even the read write speeds are really good because of the UFS 4.1 storage on this. And again, this comes only for the 256 GB variant. For the 128 GB variant, you have UFS 3.1, which is quite really old at this point. But yeah, I think that's about it for performance. The cameras in itself are usable, I would say. This is what you get from the Xiaomi Pad camera, and this is what the iPhone camera is capturing right now. And for the front camera, we have an 8 megapixel, which is pretty decent, I would say. This is not the best you can get, but not the worst as well. So cameras are decent, but it's interesting to notice a lot of camera methods that are possible. Let's say this is a document reader. So this is really nice. So you don't need to have an extra third-party app. And oh, this perfectly fits as a wallpaper captured by the same camera. Overall, this is a solid tablet with an aluminum finish, metal body, and I just forgot to mention there are quad speakers which are tuned by Dolby, and there is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port which also supports video out. So this is all about the review of Xiaomi Pad 8.